What's up, guys? It's me, Jello, once again, and today we are going to be playing the construction worker cycle. Let me explain this deck. So we got the miner and the mighty miner. These are the construction workers. We have the goblin hut. These are the barracks where they will stay, and continue their operations. We have the goblin drill. This can be like the excavator or the machine to destroy the buildings and renovate them, something along those lines. And we have the skeletons, building something. There's sometimes an accident. It can lead to deaths, but yeah. Next is the royal delivery. They need supplies to make buildings, bro. Like, they need supplies. Like, yeah. Next we have the lightning and the earthquake. Earthquake because they're gonna destroy the building. Earthquake, destroy it and then renovate it. And then we have the lightning. I mean, sometimes it's raining, and then they still work, bro. Like, just to provide for their families, bro. They work hard. So yeah, and then salaries like meh. So to you all guys, study hard, pursue your passion, and be rich, guys. Like, be rich. Be rich, guys. So can we win, guys, with this deck, with the construction worker cycle? Let's go. Number 1, guys, with the construction worker cycle. Let's go. You have Janik over here. I think I'm gonna drill at the front this time. Thanks. Good luck. I'm gonna send hearts as well. I think all of them will die. And I'm just gonna keep sending hearts. I'm just gonna eat those. The hell. So he's playing Clone Suspicious Bush. I might win this one. Yeah. I mean, I appreciate it. Yeah. I'm gonna drill out the front. There's no ways doing this. What? Suspicious Bush is doing the. Imagine if you lose that one, guys. I think you're gonna quit Clash Royale. I think 100% you will quit Clash Royale. Wait. I don't have my delivery. This sucks. Yeah, we're fine. Suspicious Bush. Suspicious Bush cycle with clone. What the hell? I'm just gonna edge him. I know I have lightning, but I'm gonna edge him, bro. I'm gonna edge him. Let's edge him. Let's edge him a little bit. Yeah. Why not? I wanna edge him, guys. Let's edge him. Bro. I'm gonna edge him. Suspicious Bush cycle versus with clone versus flipping Yes, we win. Construction worker cycle versus suspicious bush clone cycle. I hope you love that, guys. I'll see you on the next match. Game number 2, guys, with the construction worker cycle. The first game was hilarious, bro. I was facing like suspicious bush cycle, bro, fight with clone. I really appreciate those players who like to goof around. Overall, Bash is just a game, guys. Except when they're playing Eagle, it's no longer a game. And when you're facing like level 15 cards and you only have level 11 cards, like, bro, like Supercell needs to how do I defend this? To fix their matchmaking, actually. I defended it. I defended it really well. You're facing 2.6, unfortunately. Or fortunately. It's definitely unfortunately. I think I'm gonna grab the juicy lining, and I missed the flipping cannon. Bro. Where's my Gabhat? Gabhat. Still gonna at least one hit, right? That's fine. That's fine. That is fine. I thought it has gonna be one hit, but fortunately not. Skeletons at the back. I don't have flipping, and I missed. Wow. Wow. Gosh. The drill's so slow. Fortunately. Gonna Mighty Miner here. He has cannon, so I won't even bother. Cubhut. Skeletons. Defend. I'm gonna Goblin Drill at the side and probably Earthquake. Okay. That did not absolutely nothing. I'm gonna grab the lining though. I'm gonna Gobhut. And I got predictable. Let's see if that works. Why is he not responding? Did he give up? Did he give up? He gave up. He was winning. What? Anyway, guys, I won the second match. Please subscribe to my channel and for more videos. Peace out.